Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in Introduction to the Philosophy of Human Person, which is all about the value of doing philosophy in obtaining broad perspective on life. This will be the first quarter topic and week 1. This lesson is under the milk-based. For the most essential learning competencies after going through this lesson, you are expected to first is to distinguish a holistic perspective from a partial point of view. The second one is to realize the value of doing philosophy in obtaining a broad perspective on life. And the third one, do a philosophical reflection on a concrete situation from a holistic perspective. To begin the lesson, ask the students the following questions. Why do we philosophize? How can a person benefit from philosophizing? And what are the reasons that compel a person to engage in philosophical thinking? A philosopher is a good communicator who can clearly and adequately present his or her ideas. Doing philosophy can be applied in day-to-day activities and life perspectives because it involves an evaluative process. Doing philosophy allows a person to make better decisions and act accordingly to situation with the help of various philosophical skills. On life perspectives, philosophy enables reflective thinking, which greatly influences a person's view of life, challenges, and relationships. Plato traced man's needs to philosophize to his sense of wonder. Whenever we are confronted with an experience, we always wonder how it came about. French philosopher René Descartes traced the need to philosophize to doubt. In life, we will be faced with several ideas and arguments which present themselves as truths. A critical and questioning perspective is necessary to determine if indeed these ideas or views are correct or true. Swiss-German philosopher Karl Jaspers saw the need to philosophize because of experience. These experiences limit situation. Philosophy provides us a means to understand adverse or challenging conditions and to rise above them and gain new knowledge and perspective. The need to philosophize is driven by the love for wisdom. To love wisdom is have an insatiable desire for truth. Philosophy itself is a distinct area of knowledge with its own goals, concerns, and ways of doing things. The following are the branches of philosophy that deals with a particular aspects of life or phenomena. The first one is aesthetics. Aesthetics is the branch of philosophy which deals with beauty and what makes things beautiful. Example, the Mona Lisa is considered a work of great aesthetic beauty due to its masterful use of light, composition, and subtle emotional expression. Another example of aesthetic is the natural landscapes of Yosemite Natural Park are widely regarded as aesthetically stunning with their towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and serene alpine lakes. Another example is the architectural designs of Frank Lloyd Wright are renowned for their aesthetic integration of form and function with clean lines and an organic connection to the surrounding environment. Another branch of philosophy is the logic. Logic is a branch of philosophy which deals with correct reasoning. Example, the syllogism. All men are mortal. Socrates is a man, therefore Socrates is mortal, is a classic example of logical reasoning using premises to arrive at a valid conclusion. Another branch of philosophy is the epistemology. Epistemology discusses the nature of knowledge and knowing. Example, the philosophical work of René Descartes with his famous statement, I think, therefore I am, exemplifies the epistemological questions of how we can be certain of our own existence and the nature of reality. Another branches of philosophy is the ethics. Ethics is the branch which deals with moral questions and dilemmas. Example, the philosophical debate around the ethics of euthanasia, where arguments around the sanctity of life, personal autonomy, and the role of medical professionals intersect to create complex moral questions. Another branch of philosophy is the political philosophy. Political philosophy studies government and deals with questions of justice, power, and the rights and obligations of citizens. Example, the political philosophy of John Locke, with its emphasis on natural rights, social contract theory, and the right to revolution against unjust governments, had to a profound influence on the development of modern democratic principles. Another branch of philosophy is the metaphysics. Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy which deals with questions regarding about reality and existence. Example, metaphysical questions about the nature of time, such as whether time is a linear and flowing, or if the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously, have been explored by philosophers like Augustine, MacTaggart, and Heidegger. And the last branch of philosophy is the philosophy of the human person. It is an area in philosophy that understands the human person from a philosophical perspective. Example, philosophical theories of personal identity such as continuity of consciousness over time or the role of the memory in defining the self grappled with fundamental questions about what constitute the essence of the human person.